Okay, I've been doing quite a bit of tests just because I like to. The gun is finally starting to loosen up the screw, which means the screw probably needs to be Teflon taped or super glued in just to hold it in place for a little bit. Okay, so here's something really awkward. I've been shooting this gun quite a bit, dry firing, I should say, and just a little bit of an update. The pistol grip right here on the inside was actually shorting out, and that was what was causing the fuse to blow. I kept trying to see the numbers, and the numbers were not even close to 30, especially the burst fire. We're getting 15 amps. So what that means is when I opened this up, I saw that the wires had actually touched into the end plate right here, because this is metal and it's painted. The paint has worn off and shorted through this, touching both wires and throughout the line, shorting the first fuse right away. So what we did here is, or what I did, is I opened this up and I sanded the bottom of this end plate and super glued plus electrical taped over it, and then used a razor blade to cut the excess off, so the whole base plate is actually insulated. And then I took some heat shrink like this and cut just enough so I could heat it over the exposed area. And what I've noticed is the metal in the connectors is kind of sharp, the ends of them. So as they hit the end plate, they were cutting the insulation and damaging the end plate's paint and exposing. With both these measures done, I haven't seen anything fail now, but now I'm starting to see something different, which is really interesting. The fact of every time I turn around and do something right, something usually starts to go wrong, and the only way to make something perfect is to address every single issue. So this has been addressed. Next we see, which is really awkward, I've never ever seen this. The gun was working in safe, was working in semi, and was working in the full auto position. However, at some point after shooting, I decided to switch the selector plate. I'm not sure if it was to safe or semi, I can't remember. This selector got really hard, and it still turned, it just got really stiff, and as I made the turn, I heard something click. Not like a break or anything, just click. And now I'm pretty sure that the position of the selector plate is a little bit off somehow on the inside. I'm not exactly sure how this happened, but here's what I'll show you. So we're in safe mode right now. That let the sound go out for a minute there. That is safe mode is semi. So I go to semi, and that is full auto for some reason. And then I go back to full auto. So we could say maybe the maybe the safety bar, the safety lever, has somehow malfunctioned. It is not blocking this, but I don't believe that, because you can already see this is semi, this is full auto, and this is semi. So the selector plate is kind of bounced in here somehow. It's probably because, again, we're dealing with another brand tappet plate and another brand selector. So kind of a pissant thing that just deal with every time you turn around. If you're meshing up parts that are not the same brand, you're going to start having issues like this. This simply was working 100% while I was doing all my tests, and now this is not working properly anymore. So I might have to do some modification to prevent that from happening again, because all I did was simply turn it after firing, and it happens. So something's not meshing right anymore, something with that. I've never seen that before. So I'm going to go ahead and show the burst fire on semi when it's not supposed to be. So here's 3-round burst. And then here's semi with the active braking. And then here's kind of the numbers. Okay, now here's the burst fire. Okay, one thing to note, it might be a little bit off in consistency because the spring guide might be able to bounce a little bit. No, it does not feel like the spring guide can bounce a little bit. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. And then I guess I'm going to take this apart here. Oh, it looks like the pin is popped out. That's probably part of the reason is it has moved just a little bit. Go ahead and push that in with my finger. Ouch. Ow. That's what you call just forcing something, right? Alright, let's see if it's... No, it doesn't fix it. I'm going to have to get inside and fix that. So anyways, just wanted to show that the gun is working great other than now this problem. Oh my god. Yeah. Let's go ahead and upload this and hit you with a fist.